So I'm going to show you right now how to set up a photo gallery if you feel so inclined. And it's through a company called Weebly, and they're a really easy website builder. And it's like a drag and drop easy. And so why would you want to come to a site like Weebly where you want to make your own photo gallery when you can upload to things like Facebook and things like that? Well, when you upload to Facebook, especially Facebook, their terms of service is such that whatever you upload there for pictures, they basically own the right. They don't own the copyright, but they own the right to do whatever they want with that image. And so you're giving them that opportunity and that right to do that with your pictures. You might not want to do that. So you may want to create your own photo gallery, and you may want to upload pictures to it, and then on Facebook put a link to your website, and people can go and look at your pictures on your website. So that's one way to do it. It's up to your Weebly, I think, I'm not sure if it's in the free version or not, but they allow you to put password protection on some of your pages and things like that. So, but this is their pricing right here. First, we've come to Weebly.com, Weebly.com, and just to give you an idea of their pricing. And I'm hotspotting off my phone right now, so hopefully it goes fast. This is their pricing. We're going to go with the free version, right? So they give you a lot of things that you could do free. When you get into the pro version, you can upload videos and audios and things like that. If you're into that, then go ahead and do that. And they have different levels. But we're going to go with the free. You can still put videos on your website. You just embed them from YouTube. So that's their pricing. And what you would do is you would once you're ready to go, you would log in. And I'll just go back here to their welcome screen. You would log in, but we're going to sign up. And I've already pre-filled the sign up page. It's very easy. So I'm just going to close this one off. Here's the sign up page. That's what you would do if you were to click up there. And I just populated something. So it says sign up for free. By signing up, you agree to your terms of service and things like that. So I am going to say no for this. This always pops up. All right, so of course the first thing, you don't have anything, so they want to know what you want to do. And you can make a blog or you can make a store. The store requires some paid features, but you can make a free site or a free blog. It's totally up to you. Or you can make a site and add a blog to it, or make a blog and add pages to it. It's up to you. But this is their initial screen. I'll show you once we get to the dashboard. We'll start off. We want a site, and you can choose from a whole barrage of themes, and they've got lots of them, like really, really lots of them. And I'm just going to pick something that's really easy to work with. And all you do is select choose. Right, so I'm going to go up here. I'm just going to go to the very first one. Okay, as this one here maybe. And I'm going to click choose. I'll let that load up. And they'll ask you the very first time, they usually want, in Weebly you can create a bunch of sites, and they'll ask you when you're ready to publish what you want to call it as. And you can actually register a domain name with Weebly, or you can use what's called a subdomain. So it would be like joespictures.weebly.com or mytriptohawaii.weebly.com. So I'm just going to call this Will's Pics, and it'll tell you if it's taken. It's probably going to be taken, right? Will's Pics for now. Okay, so that's available. Will's Pics for now. So let's continue. And here we are at the what's called the dashboard. And this is where you build and design and add pages and things like that. And at the very first time, it's going to come up with all these, I get prompts. Yeah, they're prompts to tell you how to build your site. But it's really easy. Here's click to add a headline, that kind of stuff, right? So, Will's Pics for now. All right. And then I can add a description here. These are pics I took. All right. And I can have a button there if I want. Okay. You can actually edit this background image, but I'm going to show you how to actually add titles and things like that really quickly. So you can choose a layout, or you can just drag elements here. See, choose a layout or drag elements. So we're just going to drag some elements here. So I'm going to start with a title text. So I'm just going to grab a title. I'm going to click on it, and you can choose center if you want. You can choose the size if you want. Here are my pics. Alright, so that's the title. And then I can add text if I want. Look how easy this is, just drag and drop it. So you see that blue line, click here to add text. I'm going to center it. Okay, I'm just going to type, these are some of the pictures I took last year. Alright, so here's, on this side here, this is where you select all your things that you're going to drag over. So drag and drop, right? So if you wanted to do a slideshow, you can put a slideshow in. If you wanted to add an image, you can just add one image. But what we're looking at is this thing here called gallery. See, it's under the basic tab. If you wanted to, you can add dividers and spacers. I mean, you can play around the search box, the audio, the video, and probably the search box here. The ones that are asterisked, those are the ones you probably have to pay for in the Pro package, but you got a lot here to play with. So I'm going to add just a gallery. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Add the gallery. I'm just going to drag it in here. And you can either drag them all down in linear fashion like this, or I'll show you in a bit, you can move them up here to the side. You'll see that on the side here, you'll see that little blue line. That means it's going to move this over and move the gallery into here, there. So now we're like a double column. Right, but for now, I'm just going to move it down below. See the blue line that appears below? That's what I'm going to do. So this will should pop back into center. So here it's going to say upload images. So you can either drag and drop, or you can just upload pictures from your computer. Okay, they're all right here. So I'm just going to drag and drop them on. So I'm actually going to click cancel on this one. Click and cancel on that, and let's get back to this one. I'm going to drag these all in here. So 14 pictures, I'm going to drag them up, and it's just going to upload them. So now all the pictures have uploaded, and I think I've got 12 in there. Yeah, I do. Okay, and what you can do is, you can see it's going to present like this, and then you're going to be able to click on them. But you can, if you click on each picture, you can actually, if you move this aside, add a caption to your picture if you want. Painted boat, whatever you want to call it. And adds a caption on top of it. So what we're going to do now, it's all ready to go, is we are going to publish it. So we're just going to publish this. So we've got, if you look at it right now, you've got your, this is called a header. And we've called it Will's Picks for now and stuff like that. There's button text you probably get rid of. I'm just not going to do that right now. We've added a title. We've added some text. And we've added some images through the image gallery right here. And now we're going to publish the whole website. And it's like easy as that. So here's Will's Picks for now.weebly.com. It's asking me if I want to register a domain name. I'll just click continue. And this is the very first time when you publish for the very first time with Weebly, this is what you get. So you have to type in the image that is show you here. So it's 131. Looks like a 0 to me. Okay, so I'll go with that, and it's publishing the site. Okay, so it says it's ready to go. Of course, because you're on the free version, they want to know if you want to upgrade. Okay, but you just click that off. Now if we go here and we type in www and Will's Picks for now.weebly.com. Let's see what comes up. So we're doing this live. So here we go. We got the website right here, Will's Picks for Now. Look at the pictures I took. So here's your gallery right here. And if you wanted to, you can click on the pictures, and that pops the picture. Go to the next one. think, I remember. Yeah, they're painted bold. There's that caption that came up. So I used to have a caption that came right across and was quite ugly, but they've changed it all. So there you get an idea of what it's like. So what people will be able to see. So you can have this. It can be whatever you want. So give it a try. Weebly.com.